Your learning environment matters, especially when you're preparing for a career in nursing. At Verve College, students can learn in a welcoming campus environment designed to support their educational journey. Great learning facilities provide a place where students can focus, practice their skills, collaborate with classmates, and prepare for the demands of the healthcare profession. A positive campus environment can make learning more engaging while helping you feel comfortable and confident throughout your program. Whether you're attending class, practicing nursing skills, or working toward your career goals, Verve College is focused on creating an environment where students can learn and grow. Ready to experience the Verve College difference? Visit us in Chicago or Oak Brook, Illinois. Website www.vervecollege.edu. Email inquiry@vervecollege.edu. Call 630-705-9999 or 312-920-8822. Start your nursing journey with Verve College today.